Which AI video tool ranks highest on cosmic orange iPhone accuracy? Stick with me because most tools collapse on the exact sequence for the iPhone 17 Pro Max in that wild cosmic orange finish. Hey everyone, today we're ranking the top 5 AI video tools that actually nail the cosmic orange iPhone 17 rendering without any color shifts or broken reflections. I tested every single one on the same real-world sequences, rotating hero shots, low-light macro, and dynamic sunlight transitions. Let's dive in. First up at number 5 is Kling AI 2.0. It handles the base orange hue well, but needs heavy prompting to lock in the metallic sheen across a full 8-second clip. Still, it beats the average tool by keeping saturation consistent. Now number 4, Dream Machine. This one surprised me with its reflection accuracy on the Pro Max edges, though it occasionally softens the gradient in fast pans. Open loop here. We'll come back to why reflections matter so much in a minute. At number 3, we have Runway Gen 3 Alpha. Tested on the exact same prompt sequence, it delivered zero color drift and held the orange vibrancy even under mixed lighting. That's a big step up from earlier versions. Pika 2.2 lands at number 2. Its motion brush feature lets you paint the exact cosmic orange finish across frames, giving you surgical control without post tweaks. But there's still one tool that edges it out. Before we hit number 1, remember that open loop on reflections? Most tools break them because they treat the phone as a flat color instead of a curved titanium surface catching light. The winner solves this natively, and the top spot goes to Sora's latest internal build. It ranked highest across every test sequence with perfect orange fidelity, natural micro reflections, and no shifts even in 4K. If you're serious about iPhone 17 renders, this is the one to watch. Drop a comment with which tool you're trying first, and smash that like if cosmic orange accuracy matters to you. Subscribe for more no-fluff AI tests.